Hey guys, Double K here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be continuing the model Enzo Ferrari build. This is episode 3 and today we're finally moving on from the engine. Let's get started. So today we are going to be putting together the back of the car, putting it on top of the engine, and then we are going to be building the interior of the car. So let's go ahead and build the back first, and then we'll go to the interior. Okay, so now that we got the back built, let's put it on the engine along with these pieces. This is the top of the engine, and these two bars hold it in place. Okay, so the plastic was a little bendy, but I was able to use these handy pincher things in order to make everything fit right. Right down there, and right over there as well. So we'll let this dry, and then we will continue. So I've come to an interesting dilemma. You see these two bars here and here, right? They go to these two corners, and then they go to the top of this big piece, the back, right here. Now, this looks easy, but if you go over here, look at that. There are no spots for those bars. They're just hanging out in the open. So if I take a bar, set it in the corner, it's really just sitting there. Like, see, this is all just flat surface up here. There's nothing for it to stand on. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this here without the bars, and if I somehow magically find a place to put the bars, I will put the bars back on later. But if there's no place to put the bars, I will leave the bars out, because I don't want them to just be hanging around a flat surface like nothing's happening. Because that would look that, I mean, it would look like the build would be complete, but it also look weird at the same time. So that's my plan for now. But hopefully I can put those bars somewhere. But anyways, let's continue. Okay, so we're going to put the top of the engine on the engine, and then we're going to work on the interior with the seats and everything. Crap, I just broke the wheel off. Dang it. Oh well, I'll put it back on. I have to try to figure out how to get this on.
It never stuck very well, did it?
No, it didn't. Didn't do a very good job molding these pieces. So, funny story about these chairs here. The chairs were actually supposed to be painted red, but I painted them black. And then I noticed my mistake and painted them red over again, but the red was too thin and the black showed through the red. So then I tried to like scrape away at the paint. That's what you can see on the bottom here. I tried to scrape with the paint, that didn't work, so I ended up just painting them red on the outside, because that's all they really need, because they just go together like this. So yeah, that's my funny story of the day. And it looks fine. See, it still looks like a perfectly good chair. So let's get these chairs together. And just like that, we have the back of the car put together, and we have the interior put together. And in the next episode, the interior will go onto the front of the car. And then we'll be able to continue to build around it. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to hit that like button down below, and also consider subscribing if you're new. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!